Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm giving you some midweek cleaning motivation with this kitchen clean and organize with me. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, if you do like this kind of content, and hit the bell to be notified when a new video does go up. So first off, it was time to sadly take down all my Halloween decorations and store them away. I will be sharing with you how I store my seasonal decor in an up and coming video, but in the meantime I just bagged everything up and wrapped it up in bubble wrap just so the worktops were clear, ready for me to organise. Next, after everything had been put away, I decided to reorganize our food cupboard and the cupboard where we keep all the plates, bowls and mugs, etc. Do you ever get those moments where you decide to drastically change and organize places in the house? That was me. I just decided that the food cupboard being in the corner wasn't really working and vice versa. So I thought as we had more mugs and plates that I would move them into the bigger corner cupboard. So I just got everything out from each cupboard, so starting with the one above the coffee corner, just so I could see what we had, and then I went ahead and wiped down the whole inside and outside of the cupboard using my Method multi-purpose spray. Next, I started to take everything out of the food cupboard and reorganize it into the other one. I just started to experiment with where my containers and baskets would go, and also where they would fit best within this cupboard so they were easily accessible. So things that we would use on a regular basis, I wanted to store in the first two shelves, and then the top one is for more things that we use every now and again. Most of the things you see I use will be listed in my Amazon store that I will have linked down below if you want to go and check out anything, and then I'll also have some of the things that aren't on there just in the info box below. For the corner cupboard, I did end up rearranging this quite a few times until I was happy with it, just because the shelf heights were different sizes, and just like the food cupboard, I wanted to have the things we use the most on the middle and bottom shelves. So here is the final layout of the cupboard. I'm really happy with it. It looks so much better and it's more spacious in this corner cupboard. Right, next, moving back to the food storage. As I was sorting out everything, I decided to wash all the baskets before I put them back in, and I threw out any out of date food items. So I just went through every single thing that we had in our cupboard. This again is a much more fitting cupboard for these curver baskets and the round Poundland containers, as you can just slide things out with ease, and I can see absolutely everything I have. Finally, to finish, I just gave all the kitchen tops a good wipe down where I had everything out. I also wanted to share with you guys these new Starbucks Nespresso cups that I picked up in Asda. They have got an amazing new selection of Starbucks ones. If you do like your Starbucks coffee and you have a Nespresso, I'm more of a latte drinker. It's something that I've got into recently. I actually used to hate coffee, but now I love a good iced coffee or a caramel latte. Definitely let me know in the comments down below what your favourite Starbucks drink is, or just coffee in general. I would love to know if you have any recommendations for a coffee newbie. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and give this video a big thumbs up if you did find it helpful and motivating. I will look forward to seeing you in my next video. Have a great rest of the week and I will see you then. Take care guys. Bye.